Just get beat up. Fight back, Sid. She's not amused by him at all. Get him, Sydney. Get him.
I can't believe how big and how small.
Okay, I didn't know. I mean, if you were down the street.
Now his mama was a good sized dog.
Okay, I thought you
Get him, Sid. Get him.
Ice bunny?
Get him.
Sure, yes.
Get him, Sid.
No, Cindy's teaching him a lesson. Are you cold? You want something? Thank you.
Yeah, it's like a standoff, you know. Who's it? Who's it? Go get it. Go get it.
Which
Get him.
It's mine. Get him.
Get him, Case.
No, Casey's like, what the hell?
Get him.
So we need Sydney around to teach Casey, like, stuff.
Do you hear them?
Maybe they start snorting together.
I know. Get him, Sid. Get him. Get him. They're both doing it. Get him. Where'd he go? Casey's not so used to having someone else being that fast.
There he is.
Get him, Sid. Get him. He used his paw. You let him just do that? Get him. Use your paw. Use your paw. Use your paw. There you go. Get him. Use your paw. Use your paw. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him, Sid. Get him. That was Casey barking that time. Get him.
Thanks.
I'll put it on the table.
Come on.
Sydney, come.
He's outside. He runs like that in circles
Yeah,
as
so
fast as he possibly can, to the point like he'll roll over because he's running so fast.
Do you remember
in
when
circles.
Sydney did that when we were here? When she was
Yeah,
swimming?
she kept running and running.
What are you guys doing? Come on. Come here.
You guys under the table kissing?
Oh. Get him. I love hearing him.
Then they'll run in completely opposite directions, you know? Where's your dad? Do you want to come over?
Yeah, he is. He
Oh.
said he's on his way.
No.
Get him. It's like American Gladiator.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this guy got big then, huh? Casey?
Uh-huh.
I think so.